our picture of our chicken enchilada pie. I want to show you how beautiful it came out with the delicious mayonnaise and cheese and sour cream topping. That makes the pie, y'all. That makes it more cheesy. And look at the layers. The layers we start with all in the bottom of the pan, adding a tortilla, adding the salsa, adding a tortilla, add the salsa, another tortilla, and start layering it with the filling, the chicken filling. And that's how you come up with a little pie like that. See that? When I show you something and you say, oh, this one was messing up, but I've done it before, so I know what it's going to turn out to look like. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and get this recipe right after this presentation on how to do this wonderful enchilada. Well, I said enchilada chicken pie for the winter days because it's cold and you want something wholesome and something good and easy and quick. This would be perfect for that. Look at that. That is so beautiful, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And look at the crust back there. It made a pie, didn't it? It made a little pie crust, huh? See, I'm going to show you something on the pie, too. Look. I like that. I like that right there. That is delicious to me. This is the pie, y'all. And you can freeze this. And all you have to do is sit out and let it thaw out and then put it in the oven and let it cook about till it's bubbly. And that's it. I got a little jalapeno pepper on top of that. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel.